Okay, so the scred,
Is it right?
I don't know. This is Don't Know Jack. I'm Jack, and I don't know the first thing about installing anchors into concrete. Luckily, I've got someone with me who does.
Hi guys, how's it going? Today we're going to install a handrail into concrete. But first, let's have a look at how it's done traditionally. Jack, why don't you give us a hand?
Using the SE6. See how we go, shall we?
Finish off, you just need to use your calibrated torque wrench.
Okay.
Set to 60 Newton meters for the HST4. So this ensures that the expansion sleeve in the mechanical anchor expands. Oh, it's cracking now, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's drill our hole. And instead of using a hammer, we're going to use one of these. It's going to help us save some time, Jack. I'm going to switch now to hammer. Watch how quick this is. But instead of using a calibrated torque wrench, we're going to use one of these. This is called the AT module. Let me show you. So we adapt it to our SU impact wrench. And on the module itself, it's going to show you a list of different anchors. Okay. What we can do to save some time is we're going to press this little barcode scanner here. And we're going to go up to our box and scan the barcode on the box. Device has recognised what we're installing, so let's lock it in, and then we're good to go. And that's it, it's done. Do you want to do it?
Let's give it a go. Battery in. Not with this, because I'm not going to get very far with that. It's off, on. And then now that's off, is here. Then make sure to put your battery in. Now I have to use the AT module.
Let's go.
Unlock.
Hold it.
Barcode. HST4. Lock. Completed it, mate. That's much faster and much easier than the traditional way. I mean, you know, I would go as far to say I would trust this.
Very good.
And that's just one. So, hey, excited. Okay, about putting anchors in, attaching handrails to concrete. What do you think? You think I still don't know Jack, or are you sending me to site?
I think you've done a great job there, Jack.
Take revenge. I'll take it. All right, thanks very much. If you want to learn more about any of the tools featured here today, any more about this application, contact customer service or Hilti Online. And thanks for watching.